Welcome back to the channel, Don1914 here to bring you another sneaker review. So for this review, as you can see by the title of the video, I hit this on the sneakers app, the very limited Doernbecher 6, and I did hit for my size. So, you know, after looking at like pictures and other videos, you know, that are out there, I don't think I'm gonna probably keep this shoe. I did want to bring this to you as far as like, you know, content, and also for those who may want to go back and cop this shoe off the secondary market, to kind of give you an idea of what the shoe looks like, all the details, read to you about the child that actually helped create the shoe, and you know, go from there. So let's go ahead and unbox the shoe real quick and see what we got. Yeah, I was pretty surprised when I hit this shoe off of sneakers. I wasn't really expecting it. You know, I just put in for it, and then you know, I put my phone down, and then bam, there you go. Got the dub. And that's normally how it works, right? For shoes, you're not really, you know, you just want to go for it to kind of, you know, take a look at them in hand, and you're not really, you know, too enthused about them. You always hit on those shoes, but I am, you know, grateful that I hit on the pair because they are limited and it's a Doernbecher, so it's cool. And Jordan 6 is one of my favorite silhouettes anyway, so that's cool. And it's a big box, man. This is the box that it came in. Wow. Okay. Okay, here we have it. So here's how the box looks. You got the Doernbecher Freestyle on the top of the box. That's fire. I do like that, and it's raised. And then this whole thing is a sleeve. So let's go ahead and take this sleeve off. Okay, that's fire. All right, on the back, of course, you know, you got your Nike branding on the back. Okay, and here's the box. And this box is kind of different, right? So you see you got that line down the middle of the box. Doernbecher Freestyle on that side, Doernbecher Freestyle on this side, and here's the sizing label. And that reads Air Jordan 6 Retro DB20. So I guess that's Doernbecher 20, multicolor. And this is a women's 11.5 and a men's 10. Now let's go ahead and open the box. So this is how the box opens. We'll turn it this way. The presentation is pretty dope. Hold on. Bang. And that's how the shoes, and that's how the box, hold on. My lace got caught up in the, all right, hold on. Let's do that over. Okay, 1, 2, 3, let's get it. There it is. That's pretty dope, man. I like how they did that. That's pretty fire how they did the box, man. You got the shoes, and the shoes are actually strapped in. Oh, okay, hold on. So, all right, hold on 1 second while I go ahead and get the shoes out. All right, now that I got open, as you can see, you see how those straps are? The shoes are actually strapped up, encased in that. So put the box to the side. So we got the shoes out, and you can tell, like, this is definitely a women's shoe. Like, you can see that. So, I mean, listen, I don't knock anybody that wants to wear what you like, wear what you want to like. Don't worry about what people got to say about it or anything like that. Who cares what people think? Wear what you like, rock what you like. But, you know, as far as for me, this is probably something that I'll probably have to pass on, but doesn't take away from the shoe. This is a fire shoe. Okay, so here's a child here. Her name is Jillian Begley. Hopefully it's picking that up. That's who designed the shoe. She's 15 from Wilsonville, Oregon. So the shoe is the Air Jordan 6, and she's diagnosed with a serious liver disease as an infant. Jillian Begley underwent a transplant when she was 11. Today, the upbeat teen is back to playing her favorite sports and already has a state basketball title under her belt. And then it goes on to say, you know, her Air Jordan 6 is all about options with fun. Interchangeable patches and toe boxes that reveal a different color with wear. Embroidered on those toe boxes, Jillian shares a heartfelt message. Give life. There's a tribute to my liver donor. So that's a tribute to her liver donor. And she explains, thanks to them, I have a second chance at life. So that's fire. So yeah. So if you're not aware of the Doernbecher series, so Doernbecher, if I'm not mistaken, it's a children's hospital, and it's I believe it's in might be Ohio. I'm not sure where it is. I gotta look that up. But that's a hospital for children who has like rare diseases, and they specialize in that. And Jordan Brand collaborated with the hospital and allowed certain kids throughout the years to design their own Air Jordan and put their own personal touches on it. So I think it's an awesome program. I mean, who wouldn't love to get to design their own Air Jordan shoe? So that's fire. And you know, clap it up for Jordan Brand for this awesome collaboration that they do every year for the kids, man. So, and shout out to you, Jillian Begley, state championship, doing your thing. Yeah, and on the back it has Doernbecher freestyle on the card. So that's the card, and here are the shoes. So, without further ado, let's get into the shoes. All right, cool, so let's jump into the review. Let's see what we got with these shoes, man. These are a fire Jordan 6 too, man. So you can see, these are dope. Hopefully that's not whitening that out. Hopefully that's coming through clearly. Try to turn the lights down. So these come with 5 separate laces. Let's just start there. You got this gold lace with the speckles on it. You got these, looks like turquoise. You got white laces, pink laces with some white hits on them, and purple laces. Wow, so they really went all out for that. So, I mean, I don't even know where to start. So let's start with the outsole, of course. So the outsole, you can see you got that classic Jordan 6 outsole with those hits of like purple, turquoise, and that translucent on the bottom with the purple Jumpman right there in the middle. As we move to the upper of the shoe, you can see the midsole, we got that translucent with the air bubble. Got that turquoise and pink on the midsole. Move up to the upper, you got this nice leather upper with the, I would say, is that leather? Yeah, that's leather, with the pink leather in between. Fire. These are dope, man. In the back, you got pink Jumpman, and that reads it reads gold right there below the Jumpman. It says gold. You got gold going around the spoiler with the turquoise spoiler with the gold going wrapped around it. You got pink going around the top of the ankle, and it's kind of like, it has like a silky feel as well. Let's see here. So you move to the front of the shoe. You got a pink toe box, turquoise laces. Let me see if I can, yeah, put these to the back. You got a pink Jumpman and that gold, like shimmery gold right there on the tongue. You got a gold lace lock right here. And does it have anything on it? Yeah. So if you look at the lace lock, hopefully that brings it up. It has a black Jumpman outline on the lace lock. On the toe box, it reads, like she said, one of her signature phrases, give life. So that's shout out to her donor that gave her the transplant. As you can see on the lateral side, you can see a little gold heart right there. And on the medial side, you have the gold heart right there as well. And that's a nice touch. Dope touch. So on the tongue, you can see here on the tongue, it has, let me back it up some. You got RB right there. You got JB right there. And then you got RB again right there. Now, RB and JB, I don't know, I would assume JB stands for Jordan Brand, but the RB, I'm not sure what that stands for. Let me see here, is there, nah, give life. Let me look at the card again to see, did she make reference to that? Ah, okay, so no, it's not that. Let me see, I thought it was like Doernbecher, but it's not that. So JB is basically her initial. So Jillian Begley, JB, and then RB, I'm not sure what that is. I don't know if that's like her high school or something like that, but I'm not sure. So I have to research that. If you know, comment down in the comment section below. Tell us what that means, the RB on the shoe. I know the JB is Jillian Begley, but tell us what the RB means on the tongue here in the comment section down below. Nothing on the back of the tongue. And in between that, you do have a clear, it does say Jordan Air, as it normally does on the tongue, but you can't see it because it's kind of like, it's cleared out, so. All right, cool, so that's that shoe. And then also, It's Who I Am is right here on the medial side of the shoe, on the sole here, on the midsole. Yeah, this is a dope shoe, man. Let me see if the left shoe is anything different. Now, the left shoe is definitely different. So instead of being pink, you got turquoise right here. So the colors are flip-flops. So instead of turquoise laces and pink toe box, you have a turquoise toe box and pink laces, and you still have that phrase right there, give life, right there on the toe box. But it's in different color, and that color was in purple. Well, it's the same color, yeah, so it's still in purple. And you do have your hearts as well, right there, medial, and on the lateral. Now on this one, it says, sports are my joy, right there on the midsole. So on the back of this one, you have the Jumpman in turquoise and you have pure. So if you look at them both together, you can see they read pure gold. That's what I'm thinking that comes from. And let's see if we have anything different on the tongue. So on this one, it has the JB and then it has the SC. So I don't know if this is gonna pick it up. Let me see if I can, there we go. So you can see right here, the JB is right here. It says JB, and on this side, you can see it has the SC. Now, I don't know what SC stands for, but that's what's on there. Yeah, again, let us know in the comment section down below if you know what that means. Has the same shimmery gold right here on the front of the shoe. Same gold lace lock with the black Jumpman, and instead of a pink Jumpman, this one has a turquoise Jumpman. Outsole is a little different as well. You have the pink in the middle of the outsole with the, you still have a purple Jumpman, but it's pink inside. And remember, this one was the turquoise. So that's how the outsoles look. And she really did her thing on this one. This is fire. And instead, you know, what I noticed was, so, okay, so up here on the ankle collar of the shoe, you can see you have these like little patches here. So that's for Velcro. So these little Velcro strips that come with the right shoe or the left shoe, you can put those patches, you can stick these patches on either the lateral side or the medial side of the ankle collar. So that's what the patches is for. That's fire. Let me see what's in these patches. Let me see here. All right, so I see just a gold Jumpman. You got a pink Jumpman. Okay, you got pure gold. You got a basketball right here. You can see you got a basketball right there. You got a pink Jumpman, turquoise Jumpman. It's all different things that you can put on those patches. So that's fire. I mean, this is a well-designed shoe, man. This is I like everything that they did with this shoe. It's fire. I'm just trying to see here. Let me get this out. All right. This does come with shoe paper. Okay, it's fire. So in the insole, as you can see, right here you have that patch, and it has JB on there, which is her initials, a gold Jumpman, a white patch with a gold Jumpman, and it has JB on there. And then inside you can see it has pure gold with hearts around it, with a turquoise insole. Let me see if I can spread this. Yeah, that's fire, man. Yeah, they killed this release, man. So let me see if the right shoe has anything different. Okay, yeah, it's a little different. Let me go ahead and pull that out. Okay, and on the right shoe, you have a pink insole, you have a pink Jumpman, and you have those initials JB again for her initials. You can see that in the inside. And then also, you can see you have the number, it looks like 33, and there's some writing on it. I can't quite make out what the writing says, but I would imagine that's her basketball number that's inside with the pink insole. That's pretty dope, man. I mean, they knocked it out the park with this release. I can't even, I mean, there's not enough I can say about it. And also the laces, I didn't even notice that. They have gold tips on the laces. That's crazy. The initial laces that they come with don't have the gold eyelets. They just have the regular eyelets. But shoe is fire, man. I love it. I love it, man. It's just, for me, just a bit much for me. Like, it's, you know, you can tell this is definitely a female shoe. You know what I mean? For me, you know, I'm gonna go ahead and pass on these, but I just wanted to bring this review to you just in case you have, you know, a daughter out there that's playing basketball, or, you know, you want to rock them for yourself. You know what I mean? Just wanted to bring you that review so you can see exactly how these look in hand and what you'll be getting with the shoe. I mean, for $200, all the accessories that it come with and the details on the shoe, I mean, that's crazy. Some of these releases that we get for 200, 250 collabs don't even have half of what this has. So, you know, hats off to Jordan, Brand and Jillian for creating the shoe and giving us all the extras. And I just noticed something else too. It's crazy. I keep noticing things on the shoe. If you look at the perforated holes that are on the upper of the shoe, they're hearts. So they're not just holes, they're hearts. And that goes all the way up to the ankle, the mid panel of the shoe, medial and lateral side. That's fire. Yeah, and the same with the left pair as well. As you can see, those are hearts. Fire. I mean, just the small details, man. I mean, like I said, I can't say enough about this shoe. This shoe is fire, man. I love it. So, you know, that's the end of the review. I'm not gonna do it on feet, of course. You know, this pair will be available on my eBay page. So the eBay is the same as my handle, Downwan914. So if you're looking for this pair, it will be on my eBay. The leather is soft too, nice plush. I know the review is supposed to be over, but I keep on noticing, like, you know, details about the shoe. Nice plush leather, man. It's nice. So thanks again for tuning in, man. I appreciate it. You know, this is Valentine's Day. You know, it's bittersweet for me. You know, I lost a family member today. So, you know, rest in peace to my brother Dion, man. I just wanted to say that, you know, put some respect on his name, man. He's big bro. And, you know, it just goes with the testament of today. You know, Valentine's Day is all supposed to be all about love. So, you know, love your family members while they're here, man, because you never know, you know, one day they could be gone. So with that being said, like, comment, and subscribe, share the channel. I appreciate all the support. And again, until the next cop, I'm out.
Rock money off.